Today, product development requires more than just design data management. To deliver on true innovation, you need a platform that's easily accessible and unifies product development, design release, and change management. With the 3D Experience platform, CAD data management happens in a secure, cloud-based environment. Users can easily visualize the revision history of their designs, and lifecycle management is built in. So ensuring the right revision is released is simple. Collaborative tasks allow all users to easily create, assign, and track work, ensuring teams stay up to date on project responsibilities. Team members can visualize product structure, allowing them to gain valuable insights about the design. Filtering of the structure and preview based on key criteria allows users to take informed actions on identified risks. When a concern does arise, anyone can raise an issue on a design by tagging the area of concern. The issue captures the components in question, allows you to involve key team members, and with markup capabilities, indicate additional feedback you may have about the identified issue. This contextual information is captured as part of the issue in order to provide additional clarity that can help to aid in a quick resolution. With a single click, issues are transitioned to a formal change action process, where a full change assessment can occur. And because everything is connected, the change action can be worked on directly from SOLIDWORKS, where it captures all modifications. Once completed, it's easy for an approver to visually compare revisions and identify design modifications. The 3D Experience platform delivers data-driven innovation, connecting multiple disciplines across the business on one unified platform that's available anytime, anywhere, and on any device.